In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert image in Canva. We'll walk through this using a single, simple method, and by the end you'll know exactly how to flip any image in your Canva design, either horizontally or vertically. This is really useful if you want to create mirror effects, fix the direction of a photo, or just experiment with more dynamic layouts. First, open Canva in your browser or app and load the design that contains the image you want to invert. This could be anything: a social media post, a presentation slide, a poster, or any other design you're working on. Give it a second to fully load so that all the tools appear clearly in the editor. Once your design is open, locate the image you want to invert on the canvas. Click on that image once. As soon as you select it, you'll notice a toolbar appear along the top of the editor. This top toolbar only shows options that are relevant to whatever you've selected. So if you don't see it, make sure the image is actually clicked and active, not just the background or another element. With the image selected and the top toolbar visible, look for the option labeled Flip. It's usually near other image tools like Crop and Edit. Click on Flip and a small drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down, you'll see two main choices: one to flip the image horizontally and another to flip it vertically. Flipping horizontally will mirror the image from left to right. This is great if, for example, a person in your photo is facing the wrong direction for your layout and you want them to face the other way. Flipping vertically, on the other hand, will turn the image upside down, mirroring it from top to bottom. That can be handy for reflections, creative layouts, or just experimenting with different looks. Click the option that best suits what you want to achieve. As soon as you click it, Canva will instantly apply the flip to your image. Take a moment to look at how it affects the overall design. If you change your mind, you can simply click the flip option again, or use the undo button at the top to go back to how it was before. That's all there is to it. By opening your design, selecting the image, using the flip tool, and choosing horizontal or vertical, you can quickly and easily invert any image in Canva.